Welcome back to Zubi's Organic Kitchen, where we share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspiration we all need to take charge of our health. I am so excited that you are here. Keep watching. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please take the time to subscribe to our channel and share our videos if you like them. So today I am going to continue with my green smoothies for my weight loss challenge group. I don't like calling it weight loss. I would rather call it freeing the fat. Okay, when you lose something, you tend to want to get it back. We don't want the fat back. We want to release it and keep it going. Okay, so for today I'm going to be making my green power smoothie. All right, I have about a cup of watercress, which I cleaned and put in the freezer, and I brought it back. And then I have some dandelion greens, about a cup of it. And then I have my lime juice, all right, about 1/4 of a lime juice, and my blueberries, have a cup of it, and then about 6 pitted dates. All right, I also have my organic pea protein, I have my seed moss supreme, and finally I have my organic MCT oil, because we need all these good fats into our smoothie. All right, I'm basically going to dump everything in the blender and keep it going. All right, so I'm going to get started by pouring my 2 cups of water in the blender, and I like to start with my greens. I pause that a little bit, and then I pour everything else in. Right, so now I'm going to go ahead and dump everything in there, and I'm going to blend it until it's very smooth. Typically between 2 to 3 minutes, something like that. Okay, so it looks like my greens and blueberries look pretty good. They look pretty smooth. All I'm going to add into it now is my sea moss powder and my protein. 1 tablespoon is good. And I'm going to put, a scoop of my pea protein. Going to hold off with my MCT oil until I'm ready to drink it, and then I'll add it in there. About, have a teaspoon, or a teaspoon is good, okay? So it looks like my smoothie is ready, okay? I'm going to pour a little bit in here so you can see the consistency. It's not too thick, it's just the right consistency. All right. It tastes amazing. Okay. I like to pour this into a jar, a big jar, glass jar, and keep it in the fridge. This can stay up to 2 days, but you don't want to go more than 2 days, because the longer it stays in the fridge, it loses its nutrients, and that defeats the whole purpose. Okay, like I said, you have only one body. Take care of it. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. Okay, I love you all, and we're going to come back tomorrow to make the next green smoothie number 3. Okay, you have an amazing day. Stay blessed and take care of you. I'll talk to you later.